Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, some exciting news for me anyway. I entered a raffle. I never enter raffles. I got two numbers. I was like, €50. Don't really have it. I'm trying to save, do the garage, buy bits and pieces for it. But I was like, do you know what? I'll get two tickets. And I got two numbers and didn't check my phone all day. Didn't check my phone all night. And checked my phone before I went to bed. And I had a text message from my mate Alan saying that I won the raffle. So what I won, I'll just put it on the screen right here. I'll put a few of them. I don't know exactly which one I'm getting yet because I'm going to mail the company and figure out what I'm getting, what size they are, what colour I'm getting, what pattern I'm getting. I've no idea. So yeah, this is kind of perfect timing for me and the channel because I'm building my own garage and I've never had a soft floor. I've always had sore knees from being on the ground, walking on the cars. I've never had a lift. These are all the things that I want to do. This is my 2023 goal. You hear it first here. 2023 goal is to not have sore legs, not to be lying on my back. So I'm gonna build my garage, have a nice comfy floor, and try get myself a ramp so I can lift the cars up. I'm also looking for another car, which probably won't happen until I get the base of the ground done, all the work, get the diggers in, get everything dug up. I still can't believe, I'm in shock. Like I still can't believe that I won the raffle. Like I've done one raffle before and it was on a website. I can't remember what website it was. I know it was like an Irish / up north website, and it was for a Supra. Obviously I seen the Supra went up and it was £12 a ticket, £12 a ticket, and I was like, and I'm 5 tickets, so it was like €60 on tickets, and I think I was like 300 away from the winning number, but I wasn't the winning number. Yeah, enough of me rambling on. Let's figure out what we're doing next. Thanks for being here, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, the video a like, comment on the video. Go to my groups on Facebook and Instagram. I update daily posts there, so if you're not on the Instagram, fly over. Get on the Instagram and the Facebook. I have a group and a page. Exciting times. I'm really pumped for 2023. Hopefully I can get a feckin' drift car, build myself a slab car and go out and learn how to drift. I'm not buying an E36. 8 grand for a fairly clean one, and I don't want a fairly clean one because it's going to be a drift car, so it's going to be getting a stupid engine and a wide arch kit and shit. So I'd love to build one as a daily, but I'm not spending even 5 grand on an E36 because I don't have it, because I'm not a rich YouTuber like most. That's it for now. That's the update. I won these tiles. Freaking awesome. Thanks for being here. Make sure you subscribe. Smash the subscribe button down there. Bell notification on for notifications. And make sure you're following me on all the Instagram and Facebook. So let's see what we're doing next. Peace. It may not be snow now, but it is miserable. Windy, wet, miserable. Blah. So if you are still watching here, I want to know, what do you want to see next on the channel? Do you want to see another mini build? Do you want to see another Seicento build or another VTEC build, or what will I do next? I really do want to know what you guys want to watch, because obviously you watch it. So what do you want?